if you need to check if you have any blank data. So to check with the blank data, you have to select the column that you want to check, and then you go for one of the most important tool. It's called conditional formatting. From home, conditional formatting. So for conditional formatting, we go for new rules. We go for format only cells that contain, and then format only cells with, we're looking for blanks. We give him some color so we know where's the empty data in here. So as you see, we have selecting in here, this is an empty space. Maybe we missed to we don't have the data for this name, or we missed this data. The second thing we're looking for is the duplicate. For duplicate, also we go back from home in conditional formatting. We have two ways. The first way, from high cell rules, you go for duplicate values. It'll give you the duplicate immediately, and you can choose the color that you need. For example, yellow, he give you directly. Or we can also back the same way we do the blanks. You go for conditional formatting. You go for new rules. Now you are not looking format only cells that contain. No, we're looking for format only unique or duplicate value. So we're looking for not unique, we're looking for duplicate, and we can set the color that you need to check, maybe yellow, and then click OK. You'll see all the duplicate data in your Excel sheet. The third thing that I need to talk about is the how to split your data. So in the case you have any data separated by comma, and you need to split them into, so each one will be separated. To do that, we have one of the most important useful tool in Excel sheet is called is from data. It's called text to column. It's called the delimiter. Delimiter is very useful tool when you so we have to delimiter based on data. We have the comma between this certificate, so we'll split it based on the comma. If you have in here a space, so you'll split the data based on the space that have. If you have anything depending on the things that separate this name or separate this number, you can use the delimiter to separate them into different columns. So just finish, you'll see all the certificate is split to another column. There is one very useful tool actually I need to talk about in here in this video also. So if you need to create any drop down menu in here, so you select by clicking. There is one of the most important tool is called also from data. You go for the data and you go for data validation. In the data validation you will have this table. So we go for setting. We have to set the allow for list the data that contain, and when the source we put the data is not yet started in the progress already. So depend on the status that you need to write. For example, not yet ready. You put comma, ready, you put comma, and progress. So this will be like a drop down list, and you click OK. So now in the status we have a drop down list. Whenever you need, if you this ready is already not yet ready, this one is the status of it is not in progress, and this one may be in is ready. Data validation is very powerful tool in data analysis if you need to create a drop down list. So after we check we have the duplicate. There is also one powerful tool to remove all the duplicate. So you go for it in the data, also you back to the data. There is, you see in here in the data tools we have remove duplicate. So after you have duplicates, so you have to remove them from the Excel sheet. You go for remove duplicate and you select all, and you click my data has headers. So he will highlight the headers, he will not include the headers, he will remove the headers from the duplicate, and then you click OK. You will see 33 duplicate value has been removed. So he removed the 33 duplicate value. This is the most important tools that is so important in cleaning your data. You have to understand them. You have to work on them a lot to you be more familiar with them. So if you see this video so useful, please subscribe and give me comments so I um, continue sharing with you a lot of videos that you need to clean your data. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.